A very good afternoon. Our project title is DAC-based performance analysis of solar panel using LabVIEW. So the main motive of our project is testing the solar panels in industries. It's more of using in a manufacturing site. There are lots of testing methods to test a solar panel, but here we're using a different method wherein real-time software, that is LabVIEW, is used, and also data acquisition software is used. So this is a solar panel. Here we're using a 3-watt solar panel. And then this is the current limiter circuit. This current limiter circuit reduces the amount of current that is coming from the solar panel, because since it's fed to the DAC device can tolerate only milliamperes of current. So a current limiter circuit is used. And next, this is the voltage divider circuit. Here you can see an LDR, that is light dependent resistor. So the voltage divider circuit divides the voltage coming from the solar panel and it's fed to the DAC device, and the output of the LDR is also fed to the DAC device. And this is the power supply unit. So voltage regulators and rectifiers are used, and here you can see 230 volts step down transformer. So it steps down 230 volts from 230 volts to 12 volts. And this is a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is given as one of the input in order to measure the environmental temperature, and that is connected to the DAC device. So basically the inputs given to the DAC device are voltage, current, temperature, intensity of light, and we're also calculating the efficiency of the solar panel, and we have designed it accordingly in LabVIEW. And this is the front panel of LabVIEW. Here you can see the time variations with respect to voltage from solar panel, current from solar panel, intensity from solar panel, and also the power from solar panel. So the power is also calculated accordingly. And this is the live reading, that is the digital values are taken here. So it changes according to every instant of time. And here you can see a thermometer like setting. So this records the surrounding temperature. And next is the efficiency graph. So the variation of efficiency with respect to time is also noted, and the digital value of efficiency is seen here. So using all these parameters, the performance of a solar panel is analyzed. And the main advantage of a project is everything can be seen real time, and the graphs are also accurate. So accuracy is one of the main advantage of our project, and this can be used in the manufacturing end. And the future scope of this project is control area network CAN, and also fuzzy logic can be used. And so these are the real-time readings which we recorded while testing a solar panel, that is our solar panel. And these are the real-time graphs, experimental output, the live reading. You can see the digital values as well as the temperature and the efficiency of the solar panel. And this is our data sheet which we have designed for a 3-watt solar panel, that is a solar panel which we are testing. And we have tabularized it using Excel sheet, that is the data is exported to Excel sheet, and these are the values. Yeah, it's done automatically. Thank you. So by implementing this, the solar panel efficiency can be monitored and tested, and we've achieved the task of designing the workbench. And here the main motive is accuracy and efficiency, so that's done precisely. Thank you, thanks a lot. And my batch members are Indumati and Hira Lakshmi, and we belong to Electronics and Communication Engineering A section, and I myself am Lakshya.